Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Joe Nall 2025, celebrating 25 years here at the Triple Tree location. It's the 43rd annual Joe Nall. We're on the electric line. It's wet, it's rainy, but we have some brave souls here. One of which is this gentleman here. He's got a beautiful, and I might say, I know he just told me, I'm going to say brown racer.
Yep. Brown DGA-5 racer.
Brown DGA-5 racer, folks. Very neat. Not often you see any Balsam electrics anymore, any small ones. But sit back, relax, enjoy the flight. Folks, I do apologize for the raindrops on the lens because it is raining.
I was set to 170 at one. White on white, you know? Let's go on the wing.
That was neat. Side by side, folks.
Stop.
Aw, folks, what can you say about that? We're going to call that dodging the raindrop butter landing right there. Dodging the raindrops. That's when you say, weather be damned, I'm going flying. And then I'm going to have a smooth landing afterwards. Fantastic. Great little airplane, folks. More to come.